Hello, Erie. I'm Kathy Crone, the Development and Neighborhood Services Division Manager in Parks and Recreation in the Town of Erie. If you found this video, that means you found our new ONE website, and I want to welcome you. ONE stands for Organizing Neighborhoods of Erie. This is a function of neighborhood services to provide information, resources, and outreach to HOAs, neighborhoods, metro districts, and residents to ensure neighborhoods are successful and that we're partnering to maintain the high quality of life that Erie is known for. ONE has evolved over the years, but currently ONE is not a set committee or group of people, but it's open to anyone who's a leader in their neighborhood and wants to assist in disseminating information to their neighbors. It's basically a platform to share information. Information will be shared on this website, and we'll also host meetings and open houses to keep neighborhoods updated and to meet one another. If you have ideas for sharing information that would benefit the community, please reach out to the Neighborhood Services email provided on the website. Also, check in on the website occasionally to see what's new. Our biggest updates right now are that the ENIP applications are open. I'm due at the end of March. ENIP is our Erie Neighborhood Improvement Program. This year, the town has set aside $50,000 to assist neighborhoods in improving their pocket parks, open spaces, and trail corridors. So just click on the link on the website if you're interested in more information about that. We also have a date set for our next ONE open house. We'll be at the Erie Community Center on May 13th from 6 to 8 p.m. and we'll have stations set up with information on various town programs, projects, and initiatives that serve our residents. So stop by anytime from 6 to 8 to meet staff, meet each other, and get your questions answered, and just see what else is new in the town. We'll have more information about the open house as it develops. So thanks for visiting the website. Remember to check in on it occasionally and be sure to reach out if there's anything you're interested in finding out more from the town.